Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your Google Chrome browser or your Firefox browser as the default browser on your Windows 11 operating system. It's little bit different from the earlier Windows 10 operating system, so let me show you how you can do it. So first of all, you need to open the settings app. So just click on the search icon and then search for the settings app here. And once you click on the settings app, it's going to open the settings app window. Here go to apps and then click on default apps and then search for Google Chrome or whatever app you are looking for. So I'm going to just search for Google Chrome here, and then what you need to do, you just need to click on this arrow, and you can see even though you have chosen Google Chrome as the default app, it's not going to work in all the cases. You need to click all the sections one by one. So let me click one of them and then click on switch anyway, and then click on the default app for that section. So for opening the PDFs, you need to choose Google Chrome here and then click on OK. And then when your browser wants to open PDFs, it's going to use Google Chrome. Similarly, you need to change this for every section here and then it'll work. So I'm going to just choose it for all the sections and then click on OK here. And if you want to choose different browser for SVG, for example, you can do that also. So this is how you can set Google Chrome or Firefox as the default for all these different sections, right? So I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.